It is day 8 and we are on our way to Banff. Yeah, they are already gone, so I need to hurry a little bit up. But there's a really nice view here and I just had to stop and make the intro here. I'll tell you more about the day later. See ya. So my air mattress broke last evening. So it's been a cold, hard and long night for me. It's really a pity because it was quite expensive and I bought it just before the trip. It took 3 nights for it to break and it was really expensive, so it was like 140-50 euro. That would be about 180 US dollars, and it just broke after 3 nights. So it's been a long night, yeah. Good thing now that that the sun is shining and it's warm outside, but it's really a pity. And that means I gotta see if I can fix it before the Great Divide, because that starts tomorrow and you are going to need a good air mattress for that. Yeah, it's a damn shame, but you can't really do anything about it.
My mind's in overload. For so long I was cold, I mean my heart was froze. Trembling emotions, how the fuck was I supposed to grow? But how the fuck were they supposed to know that my ambitions had me dissing those creating distance from me and my goals? I was so bitter, feeling like I was the run of the litter. But now I deliver like Domino's dinner. Go call me whatever, but can't call me quitter. I'm stuck in my work, they all wanna be eating, but then they dessert. Wasn't here in the kitchen, I ain't in the dishes.
Who the F builds a campground on top of a mountain? Do you all hate us bikers?
We see from the same height, on the same earth, walk the same ground, through the same dirt, live the same love and the same hurt, cause I'm still woke. But my dreams keep teasing me. They ask when I'm gonna blow up, but that ain't up to me.
Sometimes, man, sometimes it gets hard trying to reach my goal. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes.
So we arrived at the campground in Banff. It's still really early, it's like 12:15, and we didn't really bike a lot today. But this is the last outstation before the Great Divide starts. So we're gonna probably shower tomorrow, wash all our clothes and stock up on food. So we're good for the wilderness tomorrow. And yeah, that's when we're gonna head out. We'll explore Banff a little bit today. It's supposed to be a really beautiful city. I was here in 2012, I believe. That was a long time ago, so we'll explore it later today. But first, we gotta find our campsite here and set up tents. Oh, no, it's not finished yet.
Take it just to get it through to you. Switching states, constant moves. I even been switching crews. That's the way it happened, but it's not what I wanted to do. Remember talking about the top, talking how we make it. Earthquaking when we hit the ground till the day we make it. Kept it concentrated while they watered down. That's why they hate it. Till I make it, learn to simulate it. Neo in the Matrix. Struggle rapping not by choice, but where I'm at I should rejoice. Rolling through the city with the crew, screaming we them boys. We up next like we with Khaled. Call it.
So we went into Banff, got something to eat, and yeah, now it's time for some trail riding. I'm looking for an awesome spot for a sunset time lapse. Let's see if we can find one. Trail riding, let's go.
And I go like, damn, I need Superman. Save my soul from the Luther man. I call up to the dude in command. Please help me understand my plan. I can't really read the blueprint. Can't find a place in the movement. Everybody seems translucent. I'm taking roads and not choosing them. Thinking life has no purpose. Trouble finding the surface. Trying to find my way with no map and no compass. Been walking like some hundreds of miles straight hunting. The wild like nothing. But right now I need something to keep myself from suffering. Cover up that wondering. Like where the fuck am I going? In the stream that I'm rowing. I'm trying to find that state of mind. No worry of any kind. At peace with mankind. And statements I can stand behind. I've been there lower than the tide rose. With no moon guiding me through nightfall.
So I was making a wonderful time lapse of me of this mountain here behind me while I was doing my workout here on the floor. And yeah, I let it rolling for 20 minutes or something, and now I stopped it and watched it and nothing happens. I thought the sun was gonna move down over that mountain, but no. Nothing happened for 8 straight seconds. That was 20 minutes. So yeah, I mean, it wasn't wasted because I did my workout, but yeah, still I thought it would be way more impressive. Let's call it a day. Maybe head down into Banff one more time to check on the internet and my friends and all that, and then I'm good for bed today. Damn it, that was such wasted potential. You know what, screw that. Shouldn't have done those burpees. Now it's a really long and steep hill down to Banff, and I just noticed when I sat on my bike again that I'm way too tired for that. So I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy the view for a couple of minutes. Listen to some old songs and just kinda, I don't know, maybe plan some projects and yeah, think of the future. Whatever you do when you have this amazing view and some good music. And it's really calm here, so you know what, I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's been a fun day. We've had an amazing scenery the whole day today, and tomorrow will be the first day of the Great Divide. That's gonna be a really nice change of perspective and all that, because when we headed to Banff today, it's a really nice city, but it's crowded and it's just tourists over tourists just walking through there. Yeah, it made me want to puke, honestly. No, but yeah, tomorrow's gonna be great, and the weeks and days from now are hopefully going to be awesome. We're gonna have some good weather coming for us, I believe, and yeah. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow when the adventure starts for real now. Alright, have a good one. Bye bye.
Sometimes it gets hard trying to reach my goal. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes I pretend like I'm real close. Sometimes, just sometimes I have to put my life on hold. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes I can't dream because I'm still I'm still I'm still